Reverse arthritis naturally. 3 crucial steps for a pain-free life. Arthritis is not just a single disease, it's a complex disorder that comprises more than 100 distinct conditions and affects people of all ages, races, and genders. It can lead to joint pain, swelling, and stiffness, making everyday tasks feel insurmountable. If you're among the millions looking for ways to ease arthritis pain and possibly reverse its effects, this video shines a light on the causes and explores holistic remedies aimed at mitigating discomfort and promoting joint health. Inflammation. The fire within the common thread linking the many forms of arthritis is inflammation. In an attempt to protect the body and repair what it perceives as injury or invasion by foreign substances, your immune system can trigger inflammation in your joints. Chronic inflammation, often due to dietary choices, is seen as a central player in the development and progression of arthritis. Here are the 3 essential and detailed steps that are integral to effectively managing and reversing the impact of arthritis on your life. 1. Anti-inflammatory diet, your first weapon against arthritis. Dr. Robert Morse N.D., The Detox Miracle Sourcebook. Cleanse toxins, heal the cause of disease, complete cellular regeneration. Transform your approach to managing arthritis with the revolutionary insights from Dr. Robert Morse N.D.'s The Detox Miracle Sourcebook. Uncover the path to healing and cellular rejuvenation through a raw, plant-based diet that tackles the root cause of disease. Experience the full potential of raw foods that retain their complete nutritional profile, essential heat-sensitive enzymes, and alkaline nature, supporting your body's natural digestion and reducing stress on vital organs such as the GI tract, pancreas, and liver. Dr. Robert Morse says that cooked foods are dead foods that undergo chemical changes, some radically, and lose nutritional value, including heat-sensitive enzymes, potentially shifting their pH balance. This can make some alkaline-forming foods more acidic, causing the body to shoulder more of the digestion process. This means the body's natural processes, including the GI tract, pancreas, and liver, can experience more stress. Dr. Robert Morse brings to light the fundamental origins of most diseases, attributing a staggering 99.9% to 2 main culprits: acidosis and congestion. Acidosis, the excessive accumulation of body acids, arises from modern dietary pitfalls, relentless stress, and certain pharmaceuticals. Conversely, congestion refers to the unwanted buildup of mucus and toxins, particularly in the lymphatic system, frequently caused by subpar dietary choices and pervasive environmental toxins. Empower your health with Dr. Morse's expertise and reclaim control over your well-being. Delve into the wisdom of The Detox Miracle Sourcebook. Maintaining a fully raw food diet can be challenging. If you find this to be the case, transition to an 80% raw and 20% cooked plant-based diet, which can include lean meats. This way, you can enjoy a vast array of benefits while having a more flexible and less restrictive diet. Holistic supplements to quench the flames. 2. Reversing arthritis, exploring Orasil from life enthusiasts. Orasil encompasses a blend that includes essential oils, herbs, and a fulvic acid complex to further enhance absorption. This medley is tailored to tackle arthritis by not only replenishing the body's silica reservoirs but also by fostering the body's innate healing mechanisms. The list of Orasil's components reads like an alchemist's dream, each with its role in the symphony of renewing joint health: orthosilicic acid for bone structure and collagen synthesis. Fulvic acid complex expedites cellular absorption. Herbs and essential oils for synergistic healing effects. A standout feature of Orasil is its action principle based on Low-Ribalt's resistance, an approach developed by Dr. Loic Low-Ribault, a respected geologist and silica researcher. The expected outcomes: those who incorporate Orasil into their wellness regimen could expect various benefits: reduced joint pain and inflammation, increased mobility and flexibility, enhanced bone density and tissue health. It's important to underscore that Oracil is not presented as a quick fix or a miracle cure. Instead, consistent use, alongside lifestyle considerations such as diet and exercise, is encouraged to nurture the conditions for improvement. 3. Arthritis Ease, a natural solution. Life Enthusiast offers Arthritis Ease, a product made from a unique, proprietary blend of natural ingredients designed to combat arthritis and its many symptoms. Key ingredients: herbs. The use of certain herbs known for their anti-inflammatory properties is the foundation for arthritis ease. Minerals. The inclusion of essential minerals helps fortify the body and enhance joint health. Natural extracts. These are selected for their ability to support cartilage health and improve joint functionality. How does it work? Arthritis Ease works by targeting the inflammation that lies at the root of arthritis pain. The ingredients are carefully chosen to work synergistically, enhancing each other's effects and offering comprehensive reversal. Click the links in the description box to explore these 3 crucial steps to reversing arthritis naturally. In conclusion, for those affected by arthritis, navigating the array of medical advice can be overwhelming. However, understanding that chronic inflammation is often the underlying cause provides a clear starting point for addressing arthritis. By incorporating an anti-inflammatory diet, augmenting with the right supplements, there is a pathway toward managing and reversing the effects of arthritis. Don't miss out on our insightful video, Alkaline Water, Sarah Water's 9 Ways to Fight Inflammation. For more details, click the links in our description box below and discover how to elevate your health today.